In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Microsoft Teams. Getting these two in sync keeps your meetings and events in one place so you never miss an invite. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, look for the All Microsoft menu. Click that to open the full list of Microsoft products and services. From there, choose Outlook. This will take you to Outlook on the web, where your email and calendar live. On the Outlook page, click Sign In. If you're already signed in, you may go straight to your mailbox or calendar. If you see a sign-in screen, use your regular Outlook credentials. Make sure they're the same account you plan to use with Teams, especially if you have both personal and work accounts. After you sign in, you should see Outlook load in your browser. Next, click on the Microsoft Teams logo. You'll usually find it in the app launcher or as a quick link when Microsoft detects both services. Clicking it begins the connection between Outlook and Teams. In most cases, because you're already logged into Outlook, you'll simply be prompted to continue. Go ahead and confirm. That approval tells Microsoft to sync your Outlook calendar with Teams, so events you create in Outlook appear in the Teams calendar, and Teams meeting invites show up in Outlook too. You don't need to install anything for this. It works through your Microsoft account on the web. If you switch between accounts, double check which profile is active before you continue. Using the correct account ensures your work meetings don't land in a personal calendar. If you're prompted to log in again, just enter the same Outlook credentials you used a moment ago and follow any on-screen prompts. Some organizations require an additional verification step. If you see that, simply complete it and proceed. Once the login completes, the sync finishes automatically in the background. A quick tip as you wrap up: give it a moment for everything to refresh, then open your calendar in Teams to confirm your Outlook events are visible. Likewise, creating a test event in Outlook is a handy way to see it appear in Teams within a short time. And that's it. You've connected Outlook and Microsoft Teams using the workflow on Microsoft.com, signed into Outlook, and confirmed the sync by clicking Continue when prompted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.